So good morning, it is day 3. It's about 7 a.m-ish, and in the distance there you can see the Two Seasons Hotel. We're just about to leave, and our plan for today is to head down to this island here, which is Ditaytayan Island. And I've never been there, so this is a new experience for us, for me and Jane. So looking forward to that. And once we get there, we'll show you around. Apparently they have a very beautiful beach, very beautiful corals, so that'll be a nice thing to do. It's a beautiful morning, as you can see. We're surrounded by stunning islands, and the weather is looking good. It was an interesting night last night because the boat was rocking just a little bit in the wind, and I woke up 3 or 4 times. But it's all good. And this over here, the island behind us, this island here, this is Banana Island, which I've been to once before. And I think we're moving. So cool. So have a nice day. I'll get back to you in our travels today. And as we say goodbye to the Two Seasons, which is a very high-end exclusive. I think it's about 40,000 pesos a night, which is probably about $800 or $900 US. So yeah, very nice. So with that, I'll just let you enjoy the view, and then we'll see you later.